STEM balloon-powered cars. In today's STEM class, students designed and built balloon-powered cars using plastic bottles, straws, bamboo skewers, bottle tops and balloons. They demonstrated great creativity and fine-tuned their problem-solving skills as they experimented with different designs to make their cars go faster. It was an exciting, hands-on project that encouraged teamwork and innovation.
There. Who can use scissors? Can you use scissors? Yes? You sure? Okay. I want you to cut it about there. I'm not going to put my hand. Your other hand, this hand. See where my thumb is? So put this hand, hold it. Right, so about there, okay? Right, yeah, watch your finger. Good boy. Okay. No. Diana? Yes or no? Yes? Can you cut there? Maybe a bit further in. Yay! Good job. Okay. That's okay. Right, so now, can you use tape? Yes? Okay. It's very windy, so we need some tape. Pull it down. Pull. Pull. Dung. Okay, dung. On here.
Why you?
I don't know. I don't know pull in Thai. Dung. Okay. Not bad. Oh. Okay, like that. It's not bad. Alright, Diana, can you do that one? We need some tape. We need some tape. Yes, you have to do it. Can you do it? Yes or no? Come on then. Pull, 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 pull. Dung, pull. And then down. Come on. Oh. And on here. Two hands. Two hands. Not bad. Well done. Can you do it? Come on. I need another piece, please.
Yes.
Come on then. Wow. No, not good. Okay, up to you. Good job. Well done. Okay? No, not okay. You have to do it slowly. Pull, pull, and then stick. Should be okay, I think. Yeah, it is quite hard. Oh. Okay. It's harder than I thought. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to put another one on. Okay. I should have put that in there. One watch. That's the wheel. And we put another one on here. Okay. Next time.